Here's how to make a cute drawing of a sun. We're going to use Inkscape. So if you have your tablet or even if you just have your keyboard, you can follow along, and this tutorial should only take you about between 5 or 10 minutes. Let's get started. So we're going to be using the Hello Summer color palette. You can find a link to it in the description below. And we're also going to be using the sunglasses that we drew last week in the Hello Summer drawing challenge. What I'm just going to do is select all of the designs, the layers, and group them together, so it'll just be easier to use this in our sun. Hi, I'm Madeline from Paper Pro Designs, and I teach crafters just like you how to draw SVG designs and use them in their Cricut or Silhouette machine. So using the circle and ellipsis tool, we're going to draw a small to medium-sized circle. And then I'm just going to double click on it to get the nodes, those little squares that you see, because I don't want it to be a perfect circle. I want it to be a little organic looking, so I'm going to use the nodes and move a little bit so it looks more hand-drawn. I don't like this orangey color. I'm going to use the yellow color from the Hello Summer color palette instead. So to do that, I just click on the dropper shortcut. You can also go to the menu bar and choose the dropper tool. But you can see the little eyedropper there, and then I'm just going to click through. You can see I don't want a green sun, I want a yellow one. So I'm going to click on the yellow, and that's the color that I'm going to stick with. For the next step, we're going to take the sunglasses and then move them on top of the sun. So to do this, I just select it and then I'm going to slide it over. As you can see, mine was below the sun, so I just need to use the up layer feature to get it over on top of the sun. And then I can just enlarge the sunglasses. Alright, so we're done with his sunglasses, and now we can draw him a cute little smile. So to do that, we're just going to use the circle and ellipsis tool again. I'm going to make a little smaller circle this time. And then we're going to double click to get the nodes and shape that into a little, smiley kind of happy mouth shape. Once we've got that done, we can change the color and use that grayish lavender color from the color palette. So once I've got the mouth on there, I'm still going to double click on the node so that I can change the shape a little bit, because I want the smile to look a little bit more hand-drawn, just like we did with the overall shape of the sun. You can leave everything as separate layers. So I'll show you, here's the mouth and the sunglasses and the sun as separate layers, or you can combine them all and use them into one layer. Thanks for following along. See you again next Friday, and remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll be back again next Friday. Bye!